Jay making movies.
Now these nice, but I don't know if Jay need to keep them nice.
Nope.
But you know we gonna talk about them.
Jay making movies.
YouTube fam, what's good? What's going on, y'all? Man, look, it is that time of the year where all-star festivities are about to kick off, man. Today we just had the release of its first, you know what I'm saying, shoe that we want to announce during the all-star lineup. It was the KD Galaxies. Bang! Did you cop? What did you do with these, man? You know I had to get my hands on a pair of these. I still owe y'all on feet. Please do not crucify me for not getting it to y'all yet, but I'm working on it, y'all. I'm gonna get this out to y'all. But who copped? Comment down below. And yes, we had that today. The all-star festivities do not stop there, y'all, because shout out to my fam over at Whatnot. They will be having a crazy all-star lineup over there, y'all. Check this out. Tomorrow, Thursday, February 15th, depending on when you're watching this video, but February 15th, y'all, your boy Jay will be going live over on Whatnot. If you guys do not know or you're not familiar with Whatnot, y'all, Whatnot is the place to be, y'all. It is a one-stop shop. You can get pretty much it all there, from accessories, electronics, collectibles, shoes, clothing, you name it, they have it over there on Whatnot, y'all. For those of y'all who know, hey, go crazy down below in the comment section. Pull up, meet me over there. And if you guys are not signed up and you don't have a Whatnot account, make sure you hit the link that's down below in the description. Like I said, I'm going live, but after I go live around 2 p.m. Eastern, Whatnot will be having a big show of their own where they will be giving away free shoes such as signed Kobe's, Galaxy phone posits, to cement threes, and bro, it's gonna be crazy. So Whatnot will be giving away some of the greatest sneakers from the past 10 years, y'all. So a decade worth of heat. Whatnot will be bringing them to y'all. Y'all can store them, collect them, or put them straight to feet. So definitely check out Whatnot. The link is down below in the description. Go ahead, sign up now so that you can have everything prepared and ready. And simply by signing up using my link, y'all, you guys will get a automatic $10 credit to use off your first purchase. So do not wait around. Go ahead, tap in so you can pull up to my Whatnot and you can get in on some of the deals that I might have. Of course, you know, like I said, I will have the earlies. I will be probably digging in my collection and getting rid of a few items as well. And you know, I'm gonna have the clothing pieces from, you know, the different companies and such. So hey, make sure you guys tap in to the Whatnot tomorrow, 12:30 p.m. Eastern, but do not leave early. Stick around the whole time because, like I said, you want to stay around for that giveaway. Yeah, we have a ball every time we do pull up to the Whatnot show, so definitely pop out. I will see you there, 12:30 p.m. Eastern. Beat me there, y'all. Don't meet me there, man. But yes, all-star festivities is going on. Whatnot is popping it off the right way. But outside of that, y'all, I do have a early pair today that I do want to show you guys. And this shoe right here, like I said in the intro, I don't know if it's gonna be kept by me because I have a couple other shoes that are very similar to it, and it's like I don't need them, you know what I'm saying? And I'm very picky when I say, you know, I don't need a shoe because I'm just a lover of shoes. But I think that this is just a little bit too close to other shoes. But before I get into that real quick, I do want to pop open a box that I did get from Nike sneakers. They have been good to your boy lately, man. So let me go ahead and pop that open and show y'all what I took the dub on. Yes sir, thank you sneakers. Bang, y'all. So yes, I did get a retail dub on one of the two pairs I wanted. I did want the other pair, but I am not willing to pay resale for it, man. So nope. I'm gonna be happy with this, what I got. And this is actually my first Kobe that I hit on Sneakers App, man. Yes, applause, man. But I do have a Kobe right here. You see all over black box, the Mamba logo. I do got the Kobe 8 Pro Tro color block in this white court purple. I did go with a 9.5, y'all. I rarely be wearing Kobe's, but just in case I do want to wear them, I did go up half size because you know they fit tight. But I do have here the Kobe 8 Pro Tro bang court purples, man. Shout out to my wife, yo. She hit these on her account. I was like, hey, go for them in a 9.5, see what happens. I took the L, of course. Wifey got the W on her account, but you know, it's going to the same person, man. So shout out to her for that. But yes, the court purple Kobe 8 Pro, these is clean, yo. These is clean. I like these. I like these. These might be just going up in the case right next to the other Kobe's that I do have, but they are definitely clean. I'm not mad at these at all, y'all. So here they go. Bang! These released last week, if you guys know. They came out alongside another colorway, which was a teal. But this is dope. You got the 2 4s, the 8s written all throughout that meshing, that upper material that's on the shoe. And you do got the purple stitch swoosh right there, man. These is cold. These is cold. These are clean. Will these ever hit the floor? I don't know. I don't know. But I did cop them, man. Like I said, retail pickup, man. I'm happy to get my hands on these for the retail. Like I said, I've been growing my collection ever since the passing of Kobe. And my first time getting a retail pair, it feels great. It feels good. This is a clean pair, man. And like I said, I don't know. One day I might pop out with some Kobe's, y'all. But these are clean. Definitely comment down below. Should I get that other teal pair? I don't know if I'm gonna get that teal pair, man. I doubt it. I doubt it. I don't want to pay resale for them. But I did get the court purples. These are in the collection. They are here to stay. Let me set these back here, and let me show y'all these shoes that I do have. And we'll go from there. Dang, y'all. So all over black box, white writing. I think this is a nice, elegant looking box right here, y'all. We do got the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG color blocking is black, white, and size 9. So it's a personal, but I don't know if I'm keeping them, like I said, y'all. But popping off the box lid real quick, we got a little lot number on the top, regular stuff right there. It's nothing special about it. But inside the box, we do got the Jordan 1 High OG black and white joints. Bang! So here we have them, y'all. And yes, this shoe does look familiar, right? It reminds you of something that we have seen before. Yeah, you're right. Bang! So here we have them, y'all. The Jordan 1 black and white. What a name. I mean, I guess we done ran out of names. But these are set to be releasing on February 24th for a retail price of $180, y'all. And these, like I told y'all just now, man, they might look a little familiar to y'all, don't they? You know, if you guys were familiar, couple years back we did have those Jordan 1 Jeters, aka respect joints, that looked very similar to these. Although with the Jeters, if you put it up close like this, you would see on that black part you would have the respect written all throughout it. I think it was in 3M as well, but you would have that all written on there. I think that's like really the only distinct difference from this pair. The color blocking was pretty much identical. The white on the back, black right here on the middle, white toe box, but pretty much identical shoe. We're just getting these, and these are not those Jeter joints, but these are clean, man. Of course it's gonna get the name Panda. You know, people gonna be calling these the Panda ones, but this is like the most versatile Jordan 1 you can get your hands on, you know what I'm saying, outside of an all white pair, you know. But these right here, you can get several wears out of them. They're not needed for me specifically because I own Panda Dunks. I own Bang High 85 black and whites, man. And look, taking a look at both of them right there, man. I'm going Chicago color blocking all day on these versus this colorway. And yeah, I just gotta rock with these. And I don't even wear these. I just only wore these for on feet. Have never put my foot. Well, actually, I did wear these once. I wore these one time, I remember. But outside of that, haven't worn them anymore. So why would I add another black and white shoe in my collection when I don't even wear the ones I have right now, man? And you know, it's not needed. But they are definitely a clean shoe. Comment down below, let me know your thoughts and opinions on these. Nylon tongue on it. You got the white popping Nike Air at the top, black bottoms. These is clean, bro. They clean, definitely. Like I said, get a lot of wears out of them because the color blocking is just so neutral. But y'all comment down below, is it needed? Was it needed? I don't think it was, especially around the time around All-Star weekend break. You know what I'm saying? Like, to throw this in the mix with all the All-Star stuff going on is like coming to a shelf near you. You know what I'm saying? These will sit at the time of me making this video. These are going for right around retail after you pay your fees and all that on these secondary apps and such, you know. So you know, you can get them right now for retail. And I will, like I said, I will have these on Whatnot, so definitely tap in and you can get your hands on these early. But these are clean though. These are clean, and not much more else I can say about them outside of that, man. But comment down below, let me know your thoughts and opinions on the Jordan 1 High black and white. I didn't show y'all when I did unbox it, but these do come individually wrapped, just like the High 85s and a lot of other Jordan 1s that have been coming like that recently, you know. So these do come wrapped up. But y'all comment down below, let me know y'all thoughts and opinions. Is it a cop? Is it a pass? February 24th, $180, man. The Jordan 1 black white. It is coming to a shelf near you. But yeah, that is it. Your boy Jay is popping out. Make sure y'all pull up to the Whatnot tomorrow. It's gonna be lit as always, and make sure y'all stick around so you can see what else Whatnot will be offering. Like I said, it's gonna be a lot of things given away, so tap into that. Good luck, and I will catch y'all tomorrow. Y'all stay blessed. I'm up out of here.